Hi, I'm Silin Huang, and this is my topic pond. So in project 1, I don't have a defined thing. Um, in workshop 1, I brought my soil I was planning to grow my plants, and I found things I never noticed. In the soil, I can see some dead roots in the soil, and I feel like there's life. And in the next workshop, I found the pattern and water pattern on bottle particularly attracts me, and I suddenly remember the little pond in front of my grandma's house. So I started to look at all things pond, all trees around the pond, and the ducks and everything. So at the same time, I studied Pathway 1 lithography, and I drew a duck, some plants. The most magical thing in lithography is that you can make different tones on the stone and keep it like water stain. And look at the duck, you can see the details on the print. So I searched pond on Google from what is a pond to how's the pond formed, and I found this documentary, and the film took me into a world that I can hardly imagine. And life is born and lost in the pond, and the pond as a living organism is doing the same thing. And according to the documentary, I've got all the answers to the workshop, which helped me to find the connections between the pond and the ponds near my apartments, not only the shapes of them and also the microbes in the pond. At the same time, I went to R.A.'s exhibition within Cambridge. I was impressed by his generalization and college. There are so many perspectives in one picture, so I tried college to make a comparison in lithography and some other like newspapers. So this is the comparison of life and death. And this is the macro and micro. And also this one. But pathway 2 is etching. For this pathway, I watched the documentary again and did some sketches because I want to create an image with past and now, memory and reality. So this is my final one, pond. And the little one on the stone, you can see it, and this is me. I dreamed to have a boat in the pond, so I put the paper boat in the center and with some other animals, plants, and other details, etc. And with acrylics, I give the picture a tone which made the details light up. So this is the acrylic. And one day I asked my father for old photos of the pond, but he all lost it, and including the tree he planted by the pond. So, but fortunately, I've got Google Map, so I found the photo from 2008 to 2022. I couldn't tell how excited I am, but it is my pond, and so yeah. So the first one is 2008, the second one is 2014, and the third one is 2018, I guess. And so I made this map, and this is the second one. During the third one, I was taking a picture of my plate, and I see my reflection, just like I stand by the pond watching my own reflection. So I was thinking about why I can't project the pond onto the silhouette of everything. including me. But first I need to finish my aquatint first, and I create the water stains and also the silhouettes of the flowers, the bricks of the house, and the trees my father planted. So these are the works I made at last. So this is the house, me, trees, frogs, and in this one I think because all those things are gone, so they are blank now. So yeah, so this is the map. And the works I made before. So these are from my project 1 and project 2, but I don't think I already finished this one. So in my major projects, during the process of research, I found the riverbed, the work of Olaf Eliasson. He created a real riverbed, but its own reality. I really like this idea of making a real thing, but it's unreal. For me, what's the real point? Except make an image of reality and memory. So can I make a solution about how to build a real pond? For my major projects, I want to discover, or in other words, the way to establish a methodology to make unreal into a real thing. So I want to achieve this in my major project, and this is my proposal. So I already finished my presentation. Bye bye.